In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix international shipping in Shopify when no countries show. If customers are trying to check out from outside your home country and they're not seeing any available shipping options, it usually comes down to a few settings hidden in your Shopify admin. We're going to walk through them step by step so you can get international shipping working properly. First, log into your Shopify admin. On the bottom left, click on Settings. Inside Settings, look at the menu on the left and select Shipping and Delivery. Under the shipping section, you should see something called General Shipping Rates. This tells you that you already have a shipping profile set up. If you don't see a profile here, click. Create a custom profile to add one. A shipping profile is basically the rules that tell Shopify where you ship and how much it costs. So you need this in place before anything can show up at checkout. Next, click on General Shipping Rates. Scroll down until you see your shipping zones. A shipping zone is a group of countries or regions that share the same shipping rules. If you don't have any zones yet, click Add Shipping Zone. Give your zone a clear name, like International or Europe, then choose the country or countries you want to include. When you're done selecting them, click Done and save your changes. Without these zones, Shopify has nowhere to apply your rates, so no countries will appear for your customers. Now, go back to your main admin dashboard and look again at the left-hand menu. This time, click on Markets. Here, you'll see your primary market, usually your home country, and any additional international markets. Make sure your primary market is active, and also make sure your international market or markets are active as well. If you don't see an international market yet, click Create Market, then add the countries you want to sell and ship to. Markets control where your store is available. So even if you have shipping zones, an inactive market can stop those countries from appearing. While you're still inside markets, click on your international market and look for catalogs. Check that you have at least one product, or ideally all relevant products, assigned to that market. If products aren't assigned to a market, customers in those countries won't see them and shipping options won't appear because there's nothing to ship. Finally, go back to the left-hand panel and click on Products. Open one of your products. On the product page, scroll down until you find the shipping section. Make sure the option for "This is a physical product" is turned on and that a weight is entered. Even a small weight will work as long as it's realistic. If this toggle is off or weight is missing, Shopify treats the item as a digital product. And digital products don't trigger shipping options, which means countries won't show at checkout. Once you've checked your shipping profiles and zones, confirmed your markets, assigned your products, and set each item as a physical product with a weight, your international customers should start seeing the correct countries and shipping options during checkout.